Luxury EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions, contributing to cleaner air and a reduction in greenhouse gases. This has a direct and positive impact on air quality, especially in dense urban areas. Electric motors are far more energy efficient than internal combustion engines. A Tesla Model S can achieve an energy efficiency rating of around 4.0 miles per kilowatt-hour. Manufacturers are incorporating sustainable materials like recycled aluminum and natural leather alternatives. Brands are utilizing renewable energy in factories and reducing waste in production lines. Luxury electric vehicles offer high performance while contributing to a more sustainable automotive future by reducing emissions, improving energy efficiency, and using sustainable materials. These vehicles align indulgence with responsibility. As battery technology improves, expect longer ranges, faster charging, and lighter weight. Solid-state batteries promise a leap in performance. Replenishing hundreds of miles in minutes will make EVs even more convenient. Many luxury EVs already incorporate semi-autonomous features, with fully autonomous systems on the horizon. Enhanced connectivity will enable vehicle-to-vehicle communication and integrated smart home technology. Sustainability will remain at the core, from materials to manufacturing and beyond. The future promises more advanced technology, greater efficiency, and stronger sustainability commitments, making luxury EVs increasingly attractive for eco-conscious buyers. For electric vehicles,